So we're going to go to the demo part now. Minimize this. So what I've done, now I've started I've got quite a few packets. So at the beginning of the presentation, I started a sample of the traffic that was going on. And so
I read. Go through.
Go
through the screen a little bit.
Yeah, we'll go through the
That's what
screen.
we're looking at here.
Yeah, we'll go through the screen here.
For the ladies in you.
Yeah, well, we're going to go through that. So let me explain to you where we're at here. Okay, so I'm going to stop that capture. What I did was I plugged in this backtrack is this. Yeah, this is a command, like a command prompt window would be on the Windows. It's a terminal window, shell window.
And you can see on the very top there, it says the backtrack for VMware Player. So
Right.
you can see that he's using
Right. So I'm using VMware Player.
Player.
Okay, so I just, yeah, I'm just going to capture this, so we'll have that for
Yeah.
reference if we want it. And I'll just place it in the text.
Okay.
All right, now we'll kind of, now that I've kind of, I'll go back through the process
Yeah.
that led us to here. I'm just using the time to capture that data. Okay, so what happened was, one of the things, if you started playing around with Backtrack and some of these wireless tools, actually one of the more difficult things to do is to find a device that is supported, a network device that's supported. And I happened to find one that was listed. You can search on sites to find out what they are. This happens to be a Netgear, and it happens to be the W111. It's the G version. The N one doesn't work. It looks just the same. So that's one of the things. The challenge is to find one that works. So basically, you put that thing in the promiscuous mode. The other advantage here was that using a USB device that was supported, you can run it in VMware. I don't have to. A lot of times the NIC interface for the wireless that's on board for laptops, many times are not